in the gate. And they're off. Misa breaks smooth. Timeless Miss, current topic from those inside gates. Here's Skip a Class. Samba's Run joins the front ranks, and Golden Wish, another who's prominent as they make their way toward the first turn. Why Now comes up 4 to 5 wide as they enter that first turn. Current topic has come away in front of Timeless Miss, and Samba's Run in the red cap is well placed. Skip a Class. Why Now is out deep and toward the rail. Golden Wish 6 lengths off the pace, racing toward the backstretch. Tappets Don't Lie and Misa up the near side from Heat and Pain. Disconsolate has dropped back to last. The first quarter, solid 23 1/5 seconds. Dustin Dugas and Current Topic the leader with 4.5 furlongs to go from the mile line. Current Topic dictates terms to Timeless Miss and Samba's Run right there. Followed at the rail by Golden Wish. Skip a Class is only 4 lengths off the pace now with under a half mile to go. Why Now in the black cap will be caught deep at both turns. Misa has 5 lengths to find. Tappets Don't Lie is 6 to 7 lengths adrift. Then Disconsolate and Heat and Pain now trails. Half mile 47 3. Current Topic just holds. Timeless Miss. Samba's Run is poised to move now for Gabriel Saez, and here's Samba's Run now launching a claim up to Current Topic with under a quarter of a mile to run. Timeless Miss, Golden Wish is boxed down inside. Tappets Don't Lie. Why Now? Disconsolate on the far outside into the stretch. 3/4 113 flat. Samba's Run. Samba's Run leads in the final furlong. Current Topic's under pressure. Golden Wish. Disconsolate is mounting a standside charge. Tappets Don't Lie is next. Here's Disconsolate. Disconsolate coming over the top for James Graham. Disconsolate to win it. Second was close. Second was on the bob. Misa, Golden Wish, and Samba's Run right there too.